Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing voltage, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area and to wear gloves for safety. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM5, as safety is our top priority. Once disconnected, lay the unit on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the underside of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Next, gently lift the top cover to access the internal components. You may notice some dust buildup. It's a good practice to clean the interior with a soft cloth, being careful not to disturb any connections. If you encounter any corrosion or debris on the circuit board, this could be affecting the power. Now, locate the power board. This is usually situated near the power input. Using the multimeter, carefully test the voltage output from the power supply. If you find that the voltage readings are inconsistent or non-existent, this may indicate a fault in the power board itself. If you're unsure about your findings, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can pinpoint issues quickly and efficiently. This service is ideal if you're not comfortable proceeding with the repair. Next, it's time to check the solder joints on the power board. Look for any cracks or cold solder joints that might need reflowing. If you have soldering equipment, you can carefully resolder any problematic joints. If you don't have the tools, don't worry, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This means you can send your Thermomix to us without any hassle. After addressing solder joints, check the connectors on the board. Sometimes, connectors can become loose. Make sure they are seated properly. If everything appears intact but the issue persists, it may be time to replace the power board entirely. We recommend obtaining a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Once you've completed these checks and repairs, reassemble your Thermomix. Start by placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightened but not overly so, as this could cause damage. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a test run. If the device powers on and functions correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. However, if you still experience issues, remember there's no need for calls or travel, simply reach out to us for further assistance. Our team is here to help you get your appliance back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.